Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
All right, take a deep breath. Let's learn together. Now, let's talk about something everyone enjoys.
Yes, after-work activities.
This is what we do when work is finished.
After-work time is very important. It helps us relax.
Everyone repeat. After work activities.
Good job.
David, what is the first thing you do after work?
The first thing I do is go home.
Go home. Very simple, very real.
When I get home, I change my clothes.
Change my clothes. Repeat. I change my clothes.
Work clothes are not comfortable.
That's true. At home, we want to feel relaxed. After you go home, what do you do next?
Next, I eat dinner.
Eat dinner. Everyone says this every day.
Sometimes I cook dinner.
Cook dinner. Good phrase.
For example, I cook rice and vegetables.
Nice and clear.
Sometimes I don't cook.
That's okay. You can say, I order food.
Order food is very common English.
Yes. For example, after work, I order food and eat at home. After dinner, many people relax.
Relax is a key word after work.
Everyone repeat. Relax.
After work, I like to relax at home.
How do you relax?
I sit on the sofa and watch TV.
Watch TV. Very common activity.
Sometimes I watch YouTube.
Nice. You can say, I watch videos online. Some people have hobbies after work.
Yes, hobbies make life fun.
David, what is your hobby?
I listen to music.
Listen to music. Very relaxing.
Sometimes I read a book.
Read a book. Good English phrase.
If you like phones, you can say, I use my phone.
Very real English. Not everyone stays at home.
That's right. Some people go out after work.
For example, you can say, I meet friends after work.
Meet friends. Repeat. Meet friends.
Good job.
Sometimes I go to a cafe.
Go to a cafe. Nice and simple.
If you exercise, you can say, I go for a walk.
Go for a walk is very good daily English. Now let's practice a short conversation.
Everyone can listen and repeat.
What do you do after work?
After work, I go home and eat dinner.
Do you relax after dinner?
Yes, I relax and watch TV.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
Great job, everyone. Let's practice some easy sentence patterns.
After work, I.
After work, I go home.
After work, I eat dinner.
After work, I relax.
You can change the ending.
For example, after work, I meet friends.
Excellent.
After work, energy is important.
Yes, some days we have energy.
You can say, I have energy after work.
Or, I don't have much energy.
Very honest English.
For example, I'm tired, so I stay at home.
Great sentence. After-work activities are simple.
Go home, eat dinner, relax.
These sentences are easy but very useful.
Practice them every day.
You're doing a great job.
English becomes easy with daily practice.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.